In other words, you'll see in drama and live dramas or in movies, if you know the science of drama, you will see that these are sanchari bhavas, these are sattvic bhavas. You know, someone's crying and they're trembling. These are sattvic bhavas, but it's just mundane. It's just mundane heroes and heroines. It's not Radha and Krishna. And so this is how, when one approaches and tries to understand rasa tattva, the transcendental emotions and exchanges of Radha and Krishna and the gopis, that's why Rupa Goswami, he saw this is a perfect template. This is a perfect outline. I have to fill it in with lilas of Radha and Krishna and expand it even more. So when you see Ujjvala and Nilamani, the types of 360 different types of nayakas, means heroine. 300. He expands Bharat Muni's original rasa tattva theory of ras in so many proportions and so many degrees, because Krishna is Bhagavan and Radharani is his Nitya Shakti. So then you understand this is really transcendental. There's so many levels. You know, Madhya and Antika, Madhya and Mridu, and 3 different degrees, and Uttam and Madhyam and regular